Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Yunus. قال موسى أتقولون للحق لما جاءكم أسحر هذا ولا يفلح الساحرون. Translation: Musa said, "Do you say this about the truth when it has come to you? Is this a magic? But the magicians will not succeed to prosper." In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, قالوا أجئتنا لتلفتنا عما وجدنا عليه آباءنا وتكون لكما الكبرياء في الأرض وما نحن لكما بمؤمنين. Translation: They said, "Have you come to us to turn us away from that faith in which we found our fathers, and that you too may get supremacy on the earth? We are not going to believe in you too." When Hazrat Musa alayhi salam and Hazrat Harun alayhi salam went to Pharaoh and his chiefs, and Hazrat Musa alayhi salam showed the clear signs from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Pharaoh and his chiefs said that this is magic. They did not ponder on the personalities of Musa alayhi salam and Harun alayhi salam, and they did not ponder on the clear signs that Musa alayhi salam showed. Are the magicians like this? Is the magic like this? Do the magicians claim that they are prophets of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Is the magic and the miracle of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala cannot be distinguished? It is as if somebody is showing copper and gold. Anyone who has some intellect will readily distinguish between the copper and gold because of the obvious difference they have. Similarly, magicians and prophets have completely different personalities. The prophet have the nur of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They have the character which is the highest. They have eloquent speech and they have strong points and the signs from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that influence the hearts of those who have pure hearts. The magicians ask for rewards and money, while the prophets never ask any reward or money. Their rewards is on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they are very sincere to their nation and people, and they try to save them from the punishment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, while magicians have no such intentions. So calling a prophet magician is the highest degree of ignorance and foolishness. They said an important thing, that we are not going to leave the way of our forefathers. And they said that because of their bigotry in their hearts, they never gave their hearts any opportunity to accept the truth, and they denied the truth just based on that fact that Musa alayhi salam and Harun alayhi salam is from Bani Israel, and these Pharaoh and their chiefs were from the Qibti nation. So they said that we are not going to leave the way of our forefathers no matter how many signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala you show us. They made an allegation and said that you are here so that you can start a religious revolution and try to get the government of this country and try to get us out from this role of governing you all. These allegations were based on their arrogance, their bigotry and their racism, and they rejected the truth and haqq. A person with pure heart must only consider on the facts, and if the facts are proven to him and he can identify the truth, he should be ready to leave the ways of his forefathers if the way of his forefathers is proven wrong. Oh Allah, make us those who follow the truth and truth only. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.